Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Bucks RC's Garage back with another video. If you like RC cars, unboxings, how to do videos, or tips on how to paint your RC bodies, it doesn't cost you all a thing to subscribe to my channel. And I really do appreciate it when you like the videos, leave comments, share them. And I really do appreciate all the subscribers I got now. You all are awesome. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. And I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Monday evening I received my the rear stub axle for my Slash. And the part number to this is 2753X. There's the back. And this is for a Slash two-wheel drive, Stampede, Rustler, Bandit, and all that good stuff. And to be honest, I don't know if all these tools was necessary to use or not, but hey, it is what it is. So what I had done, I played with my Slash, and I jumped it off the bank. And I will put the video. In this video, what happened and what broke. So it was, I received the part Monday. It was getting around like 11:30 or something. And I was getting pretty aggravated because nothing wasn't working. So I said, I'm just going to quit and I'm going to start again. So what they do, this little ball thing right here, it has to go into those two little holes right there. And this is like a hard plastic, and it is very tough and stuff. So I got up to Tuesday morning, and I was trying to get the ball in the stub axle and stuff. It was a pain in the butt, but I finally got it. And I will put a link in this video where I watched on YouTube was somebody replacing the rear stub axle of getting a little ball wing in. To be honest, on YouTube, they make it look easy and stuff. And to be honest, when you start doing this yourself, it can be very complicated, because I probably fit with a bow trying to get it in the stub axle for I know at least 15 to 20 minutes, and I finally got it in. Before I got it in, I took a break because like I said, nothing wasn't working. So I took a break for 5 or 10 minutes. I calmed down, and I come back in here, and I just put it in. So yeah. And as you can see over there, I've got the stub axle in. And to be honest, I guess 6S is just a little bit too much for a Slash two-wheel drive, but that's what I wanted. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If it's pretty outside, you gotta start rip it no matter what. If for bashing, rock crawling, playing with your little buggy or 1/16 RC truck, helicopter, drone, or your nitro RCs. If it's pretty outside, just get outside and enjoy yourself. This is the end of the video, and I'll catch y'all later on the next one.